The staple gun.
Staple gun? I've always wanted to try one of these. Can I try it on this?
Sure.
Oh, God. Oh, there it is. Wow. Oh, man. Time for my piercings. Oh, my God. You know how much that would hurt?
Oh my god, that hurts so much.
Hey, I'm going to try and go through the top, because the top is the hardest part of the can, except for the bottom.
Then the bottom.
Oh, my
Oh,
God.
where'd it go?
Oh, my
shit.
God.
Do the bottom now.
Oh, man. I don't know if it'll reach, but I'll try.
Oh, it actually went through.
No, one part did, the other part
It
did.
still went through.
That's crazy.
Dang.
Hey. I bet if I do it to this.
Oh my god, it's gonna explode. Find some hard.
Man, that would so hurt. This would hurt even more.
Oh my god, dude.
Yeah, I want to shoot it at something and see if it'll stay.
Do the wall. Oh my god.
Prepare to die, kid.
Aim.
Shoot. Fire. Did
Oh
you
my
hear it
god.
ricochet?